Hey guys, Paul the Tech Giant here. Now recently there has been some controversy surrounding an update for the Samsung S95B OLED, which is said to have massively reduced the brightness levels. But I've discovered a brand new update which some are claiming has resolved the issue. Now, after hearing and experiencing this brightness decrease, I decided to do a bit of rooting around on the internet and I came across Samsung Support Canada. And as you can see, I'm on their page at the moment. We've got the 65-inch S95B OLED page up, and if we go to manuals and downloads and we zoom in just here, we can see we have upgrade file USB type version 1304.1, and that was released on August the 8th. And just for reference, the current version that I am on at the moment, as we can see just there, is 1302. Now after this, I got into Samsung Support UK and I asked them about the update, and this is what they had to say. Upon checking here, there is no available software upgrade yet for your S95B OLED. We are still waiting for our engineer to roll out the new update. So I then went on to ask, so is there definitely an update coming and will it be 1304? The response I got was, yes, Paul, version 1304.1 will be the next software version, your TV model. Now after discovering that software version number, I went back online and I did come across a few people who did say that they have installed this new software version and it has sorted out the brightness issue. Now I can't personally confirm if this is true or not because I've not actually done the update myself, as I'm going to wait for it to naturally roll out over the air, but it is sounding promising because, you know, a new software update, it's got to be for something, and for people to be giving it the thumbs up is all heading in the right direction. But I would love to hear from you guys if you have done the update. Has it improved the brightness? Now I just want to point out that it might seem a bit weird to fans of the channel that I'm doing a video about an update for this TV when I've not even shown you guys the unboxing yet, but that is coming. But it's such an important video, I just wanted to get it out. And I just want to quickly say thanks to box.co.uk for sending over this TV. Looking to buy a new TV or anything electrical, please go and check out their link in the description. So there you go then guys, let me know in the comments section, has all this brightness controversy put you off buying one of these TVs? And also, if you've enjoyed this video, just a favour, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel, got loads of content coming with this TV and also the LG G2 OLED, which I'll be comparing very soon. So thanks very much for joining me today. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.